wasn't much time. I used my right arm as material in a transmutation. All I could manage was to attach your spirit to the armor in the corner.
Oh no. What about her?
You shouldn't look. It wasn't human.
I don't understand, Ed. What happened? Your theorems and equations, they all seem right.
The theorems weren't the problem, Al. It wasn't the math. It was